But first, look, let's get across today's market moves with our business reporter, Ingrid Willinge. Ingrid, pretty strong day for the market today.
Yeah, the ASX has had a little disruption from the morning of Queen Elizabeth II. In fact, the market remaining resilient, trading up around 1% today. You can see they're just ticking over that 1% mark at the close. That's not true for other markets, though, where we have seen some disruption. The Bank of England postponing its rate decision for this week. It will now be announced 7 days later on September 22nd. Many economists have criticised the move, calling for the central bank to rethink delaying that important economic decision. It will come in the same week now as the Fed meeting, where it's expected to hike 75 basis points. But let's take a look at the broader market now at some of the best performers today. Kicking it off, A2 Milk. It's up today. You can see there up about 2.3% after taking a step forward in the regulatory process for its Chinese infant formula business. It's been granted a renewal approval to keep making the Chinese labelled product until February next year. Now, its current registration was due to expire at the end of September. Also, you can see CSR there up close to 5%, a turnaround of sorts after a tough year of supply chain disruptions, labour shortages and also construction costs. The stock seeing its biggest gain in 6 months. Also today, driving the gains, the mining space, by far and wide the best performer. You can see Fortescue up 3.3%, BHP up 3.3% and Rio up close to 2%. Let's take a look at the flip side now. And not a lot of stocks actually in the red today. As we said, a resilient market. But Nuix, one of the worst performers today after bouncing 20% last week on takeover speculation, going into a halt. The stock coming back online but losing close to 8%. Sims also losing ground today. Sims Metals and Hub24 weaker by about 3%. And Ed, I should also mention the public holiday next week for the National Day of Mourning, the London Stock Exchange. It'll be closed. We asked the ASX if the local market would be closed, and they said they expect that to be the case, as is ordinarily the way on public holidays. But given the circumstances and the short notice, there are some logistical and technical matters that are being worked through before they confirm. And they did say, Ed, they'll confirm with the market as soon as possible.
Great. Thank you, Ingrid.